Honey, I'm home. Hmm? Where are you? You're usually in the living room. Uh, oh, you're in the kitchen. Oh, that would explain why the house is smelling really good. What are you making? Cajun chicken carbonara and a house salad? Oh, dang, that sounds so delicious. No, believe it or not, I didn't come all the way over here just to eat your food, even though your cooking is the best. I came by to ask if I could practice some pickup lines on you. Uh, because I want to go try and ask someone out on a date. No one in particular. I just want to try to put myself back out there. Well, my apartment has been feeling empty and lonely. Now, will you please let me practice my suave pickup lines? So what if I'm orange? I can be suave. I can too. I bet you'll be a blushing mess after you hear these amazing lines of mine. Okay. Are you a broom? Because you've swept me off my feet. Nope, too late. You are going to listen to these pickup lines as punishment. Groan all you want, bestie. You brought this upon yourself. Want to go outside and get some fresh air with me? 'Cause you just took my breath away. No? How about... Oh, what's your favorite drink? I'm asking so I know what to buy you on our first date. Eh, do you like raisins? How do you feel about a date? What? No, I'm not stupid. Hey, I accidentally destroyed your homework one time, and for the last time, I saw a spider, which is why I jumped up on the table in the first place. Oh, I'm sorry, but your homework was sacrificed for the greater good. I didn't tackle your lamp. I accidentally knocked it over because there was some shadows dancing along your walls. And I was trying to figure out what was causing it. No, I am not affected with smooth brain. Why are you being so mean? You're supposed to be my best friend, and best friends should be nice and supportive of each other, not tease them to death. All right, so I can be a bit clumsy and distractible at times, but that doesn't mean you can just... I just hissed at a cucumber, didn't I? You shut up. You are not allowed to laugh at me. No, I'm not blushing. Why did I hiss at a freaking cucumber? Why? It's a vegetable. There's no reason to hiss at it. It's because I'm orange? Me being orange has nothing to do with this. I bet you other non-orange Nekos have accidentally hissed at things. Why do I even bother? All right, enough with this conversation. You're supposed to be helping me. No, but making me blush is more fun. Fun's over now. It's my turn to try and make you blush. Don't give me that doubtful look. I've said it before, and I'll say it again. I can be suave when I need to be. Roll your eyes all you want. You're not backing out of this one. um, are you tired? 'Cause you've been running through my head all day. Yeah, yeah. I was gonna read the menu, but you're just too beautiful not to look at. Oh, what's it like being the most gorgeous person in the room? Ah, now look who's blushing. See, I told you I can be suave. Sorry, what was that? I didn't hear you. Uh, why is your face getting redder? You're starting to look like a tomato. I don't need to be suave because I'm cute enough already. Wait. You think I'm cute? For how long? How long is a while exactly? 3 years? Honey, why didn't you say anything? Because you didn't want to ruin our friendship. No, honey, you wouldn't have ruined anything. I promise. I know, because I've had a crush on you for almost as long as I've known you. I've never said anything because I didn't think you'd be interested in someone like me. Well, I mean, I'm a clumsy goofball that has a tendency to jump on tables, destroy homework, and hiss at unsuspecting vegetables, apparently. Me being a clumsy goofball is what made you fall for me? Oh, honey, how are you so perfect? Come here. I need to give you a hug. Hey, guess what? If you let me borrow a kiss, I promise I'll give it right back. I'm not a dork. I'm adorable. There's a difference. Adorkable? What does that mean? That I'm both? That's more dumb than me. Are you sure you're not the one afflicted with smooth brain? Why don't you make me shut up? Hmm. I love you too, baby. Hey, if you've reached this point in the video and have not already subscribed, please take a moment to do so. I really appreciate it.